Make a great choice today with the 2021 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, running boards, xenon headlights, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front, center, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.